Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to edit a header in a Microsoft Word document. Headers are useful for adding titles, page numbers, or other important information at the top of each page. We will walk you through how to access and customize the header quickly and easily. Let's get started. From your Microsoft Word document, we can add a header by clicking Insert at the top left of your screen. Click Insert, then click Header. You will see a list of header options to choose from. Let's select this header. To edit it, simply double-click the header and type your new text. We can customize it by highlighting the text and changing the font or font size. We can also adjust the font size and change the text color. For example, we can choose blue. Feel free to configure this however you like. We can also insert an image here and make edits to it if needed. If we want to make more changes, just click the header again. We can add more content here, such as a subtitle or additional text. And that's it. We have successfully edited the header in Microsoft Word. Now we can customize our pages with titles, dates, or any other important details.